It has started over this coronavirus. What you're seeing here. This is a YouTube video by Chad, C-H-A-D-D, Sinclair, S-I-N-C-L-A-I-R. It says coronavirus crisis leaked footage from China. Alright, here's what's happening. Let's click on the video. Alright, it says, do you wish to proceed? I wish to proceed. Alright. Viewer discretion. The following content has been identified by YouTube community as inappropriate, offensive to some audience. So I confirm that. Let's see. Let's watch this video. Oh, guess what? It's not going to load. It's viewer discretion advised. Alright, so you're not being told all this stuff about the coronavirus. You are the walking dead. Bill Gates predicted this months before this outbreak. How many people would die in a pandemic episode? So, we're going to look at some of the Munder stuff while we're talking, but you're not going to get the right information. You're gonna probably get contaminated. You're going to get this sickness. So the best I can tell you is to buy you some vitamin C, some aspirin, get you some antibiotics. I don't know, some Purell, Clorox, all that stuff kills it. But, you know, trying to keep clean and do all that kind of stuff. Stay away from public places. Don't be eating stuff from China, like those Walmart shrimp that they have up there. You know, the shrimp for $5.97, and yeah, they're from China. Guess what? Yeah. So, I've noticed all these YouTubers on TV have been talking like they've got a cold or some kind of crap. So far in Mississippi, there's some people that's got some sickness and they're coughing and they're sneezing, but you know, I haven't got it yet. But this Karachi crap or whatever they're calling it, it's here. You're gonna see it. You're gonna get it. If your immune system's jacked up pretty good, you may not die, but yeah, you're the walking dead. 65 million plus people have got to die for this thing to do its job. We're in a trade war with China, right? We have been giving them our money for years and years and years. And now we're not. You know, Trump, and I don't even like that guy, but, you know, he's done did this deal, and he's pulling the mark on them. He's like, well, you don't want to play with us? We'll play ball. Here, have a infected virus in your country. You know, so, but it's going to come back over here. You may get affected, you may not. But think about that for right now. I'm out.